All right, guys, today in the shop, we have a 2021, this is the Lexus 250 UH, and I'm gonna do an oil change on it. That will be a separate video. This one, I'm just gonna show you how to reset that oil maintenance light. So you wanna get into the car. So you wanna put your foot on the brake, and we wanna push the power button to start the car. That's gonna light everything up. And what we wanna do, you see this little arrow thing here? We wanna bring up our things there. Okay, it says oil maintenance required. So you have these little arrow keys here. We want to push to the right, and what that's going to do, you're going to see these options up here. It's going to move over to the right. So we want to push this to the right, and we're going to go to vehicle settings. Then you want to push the OK button on vehicle settings, and now you want to push the down arrow to go down, and you want to look for vehicle settings. No, I'm sorry, there you go, oil maintenance. Then you want to hit the OK button, and it's going to ask you, do you want to reset the data? So obviously you press up, it will go up, and then hit OK, and it will reset the data. And that's it. Hopefully this helps you out, and if you could take a second before you leave, is just hit subscribe below, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you next time.